Hello everyone. I would like to introduce you to a brand new online course where you can learn to build an automated smart dustbin from scratch. I have always been a firm believer in learning by doing, and in this course, you will learn what you need to know by hands on experience. You don't need any special knowledge except basic computer skills to get started with the course. Every one of you comes from a different background, and hence the course is crafted from basic to advanced level with minute details in every lecture. The course is divided into 6 sections. In the first section, you will learn about the project concept and the working principle of the HCSR04 distance measurement sensor. In the second section, we will understand in detail about the circuit diagram, which will help us to establish connection between the Raspberry Pi and the distance measurement module. Once we are done with this, we will go ahead and explore the program which will help us to test whether the module we have purchased online or from the local market actually works or not. In the third section, we will get to know about the working principle and the inside mechanism of the servo motor. We will learn what is pulse width modulation and how this technique is implemented in programming. Going ahead, we will also understand how the servo motor is connected with the Raspberry Pi and what are the power requirements to operate the same. The fourth section begins with the coding phase, where we will first learn how we can achieve 0 degrees and 180 degrees by supplying the required duty cycles. Once this result is achieved, we will then implement the mathematical formula through which we can derive the required duty cycle to achieve any user choice angle. In the fifth section, you will come to know how IoT is the game changer. We will learn how we can design our own dashboard and analyze the data in real time from anywhere. We will then practically test this by implementing a basic program and checking how data is being sent to the backend server and displayed in real time on the dashboard. The sixth section exposes you to the final phase where you will understand the main program of the automated dustbin. The program includes all the activities that have to be carried out for the dustbin to work. Apart from this, it also includes the IoT section, which is responsible for carrying out the data to the backend server. Please note that the project covered in the course will work on any version of the Raspberry Pi. All the lectures contain English subtitles for clear and better understanding. If you face any technical issue, please post your query in the question and answer section, and I will get back to you within one business day. At the end of the course, you will have a solid foundation on servo motor, distance sensor, IoT dashboard implementation, etc. So apart from building this project, you will also find it easy to build any other project of your choice.